Let's go for a ride. Oh, look at the time, 6:47 Friday afternoon. Just gonna pop round Uncle Trent's place for a quick beer. How's the Serenity? Alright, so while we're riding along, I got called out again for a 3x3 challenge. This time I got called out by my boy BK Low. So I'm sure you all know him. I'll put a link to his channel up in one of these corners. He's got a very cool lowrider S. Beautiful sunset. Alright, so 3 things you don't know about me. Number 1, I'm absolutely shit scared of spiders. Like, I'm talking fucking shit scared. Petrified. I'll squeal like a bitch if there's one near me. If anyone throws one at me, that's a death sentence. I'll fucking kill you. I'll hunt you down, burn your whole house down. So I'm cool with snakes, I'm cool with crocodiles, I'm cool with sharks. Like, obviously don't play with them, but yep, absolutely fucking petrified of spiders. So the second thing you didn't know about me was I play guitar. That's another one of my used to be passions. I don't have a lot of time anymore to play guitar, but I'm into it. Electric and acoustic, they're all good. I love them all. I used to be in a band when I was in high school. We actually played in the Rock Awards a few times, the NQ Rock Awards. So we came second once. That was many moons ago. But yeah, my electric guitar, I'm sure everyone knows the band Pantera, but I've got a Dimebag Signature Series, the fucking lightning one. I'll put a photo of it up here. Now this thing is fucking beautiful. I've literally had that since I was in high school, so that's a long time ago, man. At the time of recording this video, it was my birthday yesterday, so yeah, I'm 36. Getting old, man, getting old. My acoustic guitar is a Maiden. You overseas guys may not have heard of them because they're an Australian brand, but they are beautiful guitars, man, beautiful. Made out of timber from Australia, obviously. I'm actually pretty sure it's Queensland timber, but I'll put that on the screen if I'm right. And the third thing, the moon's looking cool. Yeah, the third thing is I'm a pretty artistic son of a bitch, you know? I do some airbrushing. I haven't airbrushed anything on this bike because I struggle to find things to put on my own bike. I can come up with ideas for other people, just not myself. On my last Softail, I airbrushed some realistic flames on the front guard, but that was it. So I've been doing airbrushing, same again, not so much recently, but a fair bit in the past few years. But I'll put up a couple of photos of things that I've painted. This was my wife's cousin's golf buggy. This was pretty cool. We did like an Optimus Prime sort of theme on this thing. This is a Ned Kelly themed Harley I did for a dude. Another one I did, we actually won Best Paint at the Blue Water Bike Show with this. This was an old white glide, actually, I'm pretty sure. It's like a sheet metal sort of themed, you know, like all riveted together, like an old sort of, I don't know, old something that's riveted together. So yeah, there's a few pictures, but I've done a few helmets and stuff. I'll slap a couple more photos up of random things that I can't think about off the top of my head that I've painted, but can check that shit out. So yeah, that's 3 things I'm pretty sure you didn't know about me. I may have already shared the spider thing, but oh well. Have a go at this. Beautiful. Nearly 7 o'clock and it's still 27 degrees. You gotta love North Queensland, man. So we got a birthday party around here tomorrow night, so I'm just coming around to drop a couple of snakes off. My mate Uncle Trent, some of you might know him, he's into making knives, and he's also got all the stuff to skin things. Drop these snakes off and see what he can do with them, but that'll be pretty cool. But so there you go, guys, that's another 3x3. And now I'm supposed to call out another 3 people for them to do the challenge, but I'm going to mix things up a little. I'm going to call out a whole crew. I can't stop looking at that, it's beautiful. Anyway, so I'm calling out the whole Braptown crew. Now, I don't know if you guys have heard of these dudes, but they are pretty fucking cool. I would know because I'm in it. So we've just started an Instagram page too, guys, so if you haven't checked that out, be sure to show us some love. But yeah, the Braptown crew, you know who you are. We got the Alpha Core, we got Touring Midwest, we got Knuckles TV, and we got JMax 707. So get ready, boys, you're up. Let's hear what you got to say. But alright, it's beer o'clock. I'm out this bitch. I'll catch you later, eh? See ya!